I have installed a few harmonic mitigating transformers on commercial and industrial systems, and I have had great results in each case. The harmonic levels on the system were reduced by 50% or more. Harmonics can cause many problems, including overheating of neutral conductors, motor failures, capacitor failures, and voltage distortion on the system. I have not seen any downside to specifying harmonic mitigating transformers in a commercial or industrial application. I would highly recommend them for any application where there is a significant harmonic load. The only real concern I have had is to make sure that the transformer is properly sized for the load and that it is installed in a location where it will not be subjected to excessive heat or vibration. The cost of a harmonic mitigating transformer is typically 10 to 15% more than a standard transformer. However, the benefits of reduced harmonics can easily outweigh the additional cost. Here are some of the benefits of harmonic mitigating transformers. Firstly, reduced harmonic levels in the system. Secondly, reduced overheating of neutral conductors. Thirdly, increased motor life. Fourthly, increased capacitor life. And fifthly, reduced voltage distortion in the system. Harmonic mitigation transformers are designed to reduce harmonic currents and voltages in electrical power systems. Harmonics are distortions of the sinusoidal waveform of alternating current, AC, and voltage. They are typically caused by nonlinear loads such as electronic devices, variable frequency drives, and lighting systems. These nonlinear loads draw current in short, discontinuous pulses, which creates harmonic currents that flow back into the power system. These harmonic currents can cause a variety of problems, including firstly, overheating of transformers, cables, and other electrical equipment. Secondly, increased losses in the power system. Thirdly, malfunction of sensitive electronic equipment. Fourthly, reduced power factor. And fifthly, interference with communication systems. Harmonic mitigating transformers use various techniques to reduce the harmonic currents. One common approach is to use a zigzag winding. A zigzag winding is a special type of transformer winding that is designed to cancel out the third harmonic current and its multiples. It consists of 3 sets of windings, each connected in a zigzag pattern. The zigzag connection effectively cancels the third harmonic current because the currents in the 3 windings are 120 degrees out of phase with each other. Another technique used in harmonic mitigating transformers is to use a delta-connected secondary winding. A delta-connected winding provides a path for the third harmonic current to circulate within the transformer, preventing it from flowing back into the power system. In addition to reducing harmonic currents, harmonic mitigating transformers can also improve the voltage waveform. Harmonics can cause voltage distortion, which can lead to problems with sensitive electronic equipment. By reducing the harmonic currents, harmonic mitigating transformers can help to improve the voltage waveform and reduce voltage distortion. When selecting a harmonic mitigating transformer, it is important to consider the following factors. Firstly, the size of the load. Secondly, the harmonic content of the load current. Thirdly, the desired level of harmonic reduction. And fourthly, the impedance of the transformer. The size of the load will determine the required kilovolt-ampere kV rating of the transformer. The harmonic content of the load current will determine the type of harmonic mitigation technique that is required. The desired level of harmonic reduction will depend on the sensitivity of the equipment that is being protected. The impedance of the transformer will affect the amount of harmonic current that is allowed to flow into the power system. Installation considerations for harmonic mitigating transformers are similar to those for standard transformers. The transformer should be installed in a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating. The transformer should be properly grounded to prevent electrical shock. The transformer should be protected from overcurrents and short circuits. The cost of a harmonic mitigating transformer is typically higher than that of a standard transformer. However, the benefits of reduced harmonics can often outweigh the additional cost. The benefits include firstly, reduced energy losses, secondly, improved power quality, thirdly, increased equipment life, and fourthly, reduced downtime. Harmonic mitigating transformers are available in a variety of sizes and configurations. They can be used in a wide range of applications, including firstly, commercial buildings, secondly, industrial plants, thirdly, data centers, and fourthly, hospitals. They are an effective way to reduce harmonic currents and voltages in electrical power systems and improve power quality. The key differences between a standard transformer and a harmonic mitigating transformer lie in their design and ability to handle harmonic currents. Standard transformers are designed primarily to efficiently convert voltage levels while minimizing losses under sinusoidal conditions. They are not specifically designed to address harmonic currents, which can lead to overheating and reduced lifespan. Harmonic mitigating transformers, on the other hand, incorporate design features specifically aimed at reducing the impact of harmonic currents. These features include, firstly, specialized core designs, secondly, zigzag windings, thirdly, delta-connected windings, and fourthly, optimized impedance. These design modifications enable the transformer to handle harmonic currents more effectively, reducing overheating and improving overall system performance. Standard transformers typically have a simpler core structure optimized for 60 Hz operation. Harmonic mitigating transformers often employ more complex core designs, such as laminated or amorphous cores, to reduce eddy current losses caused by harmonic frequencies. These specialized cores can better handle the non-sinusoidal waveforms associated with harmonic currents. Standard transformers typically use standard winding configurations, such as delta Y or YY. Harmonic mitigating transformers often incorporate zigzag windings, which are specifically designed to cancel out tripling harmonic currents, which are multiples of the third harmonic, such as third, ninth, and 15th harmonics. These tripling harmonics are particularly problematic in three-phase systems with nonlinear loads. Delta-connected windings are also used in harmonic mitigating transformers to trap harmonic currents and prevent them from propagating back into the power system. Standard transformers are designed with a specific impedance to optimize voltage regulation and minimize short-circuit currents. Harmonic mitigating transformers may have a slightly higher impedance to further reduce the flow of harmonic currents. This higher impedance helps to limit the distortion of the voltage waveform. Standard transformers are typically less expensive than harmonic mitigating transformers due to their simpler design. Harmonic mitigating transformers require specialized materials and manufacturing processes, which increase their cost. Standard transformers are suitable for applications with predominantly linear loads where harmonic distortion is minimal. Harmonic mitigating transformers are recommended for applications with significant nonlinear loads such as variable frequency drives, electronic ballasts, and other power electronic equipment. These transformers help to improve power quality, reduce equipment overheating, and extend the lifespan of electrical components. In summary, while standard transformers are designed for efficient voltage transformation under sinusoidal conditions, harmonic mitigating transformers are specifically designed to reduce the impact of harmonic currents, improving power quality and system performance in environments with significant nonlinear loads. The installation of harmonic mitigating transformers requires careful planning and execution to ensure optimal performance and safety. Here are some key considerations. Firstly, load analysis. Secondly, transformer sizing. Thirdly, location and environment. Fourthly, wiring and connections. Fifthly, grounding and bonding. Sixthly, protection and overcurrent devices. Seventhly, commissioning and testing. And eighthly, maintenance. Conduct a thorough load analysis to determine the harmonic content of the electrical system. This analysis will help determine the appropriate size and type of harmonic mitigating transformer required. Consider using a power quality analyzer to measure harmonic currents and voltages. Properly size the transformer based on the total load and the expected harmonic content. Oversizing the transformer can improve its ability to handle harmonic currents without overheating. Consult with a qualified electrical engineer or transformer manufacturer for sizing recommendations. Select a suitable location for the transformer that provides adequate ventilation and is free from excessive heat, moisture, and vibration. Ensure that the transformer is easily accessible for maintenance and inspection. Use appropriately sized conductors and connectors for all wiring connections. Follow all applicable electrical codes and standards. Ensure that all connections are tight and secure. Properly ground and bond the transformer to minimize the risk of electrical shock and to provide a low impedance path for fault currents. Use a dedicated grounding electrode system if necessary. Install appropriate overcurrent protection devices, such as fuses or circuit breakers, to protect the transformer from overloads and short circuits. Coordinate the protection devices with the transformer's thermal withstand capability. Perform thorough commissioning and testing after installation to verify proper operation and performance. Measure harmonic currents and voltages to confirm that the transformer is effectively mitigating harmonics. Develop a regular maintenance schedule that includes visual inspections, cleaning, and testing of connections. Monitor the transformer's temperature and load to detect any potential problems early. Addressing potential problems with harmonic mitigating transformers involves a systematic approach to identify, analyze, and resolve the issues. Here are common problems, their causes, and possible solutions. Firstly, overheating. Secondly, excessive harmonic distortion. Thirdly, voltage regulation issues. Fourthly, noise and vibration. Fifthly, insulation failure. Sixthly, transformer failure. And seventhly, nuisance tripping. Overheating can be caused by excessive harmonic currents, overloading, poor ventilation, or a combination of these factors. Ensure that the transformer is properly sized for the load and harmonic content. Verify that the transformer is installed in a well-ventilated area. Consider installing cooling fans or a larger transformer if necessary. Excessive harmonic distortion in the system can be caused by nonlinear loads or malfunctioning harmonic mitigating transformer. Conduct a power quality analysis to identify the source of the harmonics. Check the transformer's performance to ensure that it is effectively mitigating harmonics. Consider adding additional harmonic filters or reactors if necessary. Voltage regulation issues can be caused by excessive harmonic currents or impedance issues. Verify that the transformer has adequate voltage regulation capabilities. Check the transformer's impedance to ensure that it is compatible with the system. Consider using a transformer with a lower impedance or adding a voltage regulator. Noise and vibration can be caused by loose core laminations or excessive magnetostriction due to harmonic currents. Inspect the transformer for loose components and tighten as necessary. Consider using vibration isolation mounts to reduce noise transmission. Insulation failure can be caused by overheating, voltage transients, or contamination. Perform regular insulation resistance tests to monitor the condition of the insulation. Protect the transformer from voltage transients with surge arresters. Keep the transformer clean and dry to prevent contamination. Transformer failure can be caused by a variety of factors, including overloading, overheating, insulation failure, and mechanical damage. Conduct regular inspections and maintenance to identify and address potential problems early. Replace the transformer if it is damaged or has reached the end of its service life. Nuisance tripping of overcurrent devices can be caused by harmonic currents or transient events. Adjust the settings of the overcurrent devices to avoid nuisance tripping. Consider using harmonic filters or reactors to reduce harmonic currents. Implementing preventative measures and conducting regular maintenance can help to minimize the risk of problems with harmonic mitigating transformers and ensure their reliable operation. Remember that I would recommend that you contact a qualified electrician or engineer to discuss your specific application and to determine if a harmonic mitigating transformer is right for you. I hope this information is helpful.